Hi, my name's Randy. I'm the head of the R&D department here at British Customs. With me and the team, we have over 50 years of exhaust experience. We're going to walk you through our process of manufacturing exhaust components here at British Customs. We solely use 304 stainless steel to ensure a non-corrosive, durable product. Now we do prototyping and testing to see what we want to build. Then we'll also make fixtures for it to make it repeat within a couple thousandths of an inch, so we can guarantee a perfect fit every time on your motorcycle. We use a cold saw to ensure repeatability of a couple thousandths of an inch every time. We then deburr, wash, Scotch-Brite to ensure no contaminants in the welds. Okay, so now we're going to take the two halves and put them into the tacking fixture. Once we put it into the tacking fixture, we will then put equal space tacks on it. We'll pull it out of the fixture, we'll weld her up. Once she's welded up, we will go to the bracketing fixture, which is probably the most important fixture because this is what makes it fit your bike. Once we get the brackets welded on them, then we're going to go to the notcher. We're going to put 4 notches in it, 2 in each side, so it will crimp to your head pipe and your tailpipe evenly. Then the pipe's ready to go to QC, and once it goes to QC, it's on its way to you.